Hey everybody, today we're going to be working on installing the trailer hitch for the our 2021 RAV4. We went ahead and went with the CURT. The number is 13416. It's a class 3. The 2-inch receiver, 600-pound max for the tongue weight, and then 4,000-pound max for the trailer, which is way overbuilt for what we want, but more is always more. So we'll be using just a few tools: a 3/4 or 19mm socket, an extension or torque wrench, ratchet, electric ratchet. This is our hardware here, and we'll be using a floor jack to get it lifted up into place so we don't have to manhandle it and hold it while we're trying to install it. So hopefully it will go fast and be painless. We're removing these stickers that cover our bolt holes. It's pretty nice that they do this just to seal up the frame. And then those are nut plates behind there from the factory. So we'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna remove the sticker. Okay, so now we're gonna just put our bolts in and make sure that the threads are good. Okay, good. Parting. Okay. Okay. We're good. Do the same on the driver's side. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we had to move it into place and then put it on the jack because it was just too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and just ease it up into place off the jack. So we're gonna use some anti-seize on our bolts. And of course I got it on me, so that's what you do. Okay, I'm gonna go do the same on the other side. Okay, so for the driver's side. Get the torque wrench. It calls for 86 foot-pounds. Okay. Okay guys, so that was the installation of the trailer hitch. The bolts on the passenger side are really hard to get to and film. I think most things that we're doing here are way easier to do if you're not filming, but figured it would help some other people out there just to get an idea of how to do things. So it was like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll be doing some more videos soon. Thank you.